If you love this look but you have hooded eyes like me, keep watching. I'm going to start by applying concealer on my lid. Then I'm going to take a lighter neutral shade and just buff that right onto my brow bone. Next, I'm going to take the Anastasia Jet Waterproof Cream Liner and this little tiny angle brush. Look straight in the mirror and map out a line right above your crease so that when your eye is open, you can see the black. Then you're going to start filling it in, and I even brought my line up a little bit higher when I was filling it in because I felt like I wanted it to show a little bit more. Now I'm just setting the liner with a black shadow. I'm using the Anastasia liner and the black shadow on my lower lash line as well. Then I'm taking the Anastasia liquid liner to get that wing on the inner corner. Next is glitter. I'm using the pigment from Peach's Pigments called Gatsby. I did not use any primer, I just applied it right over the black shadow. Next is mascara and lashes. Put on a nude lip, and then we are all done. The most important part of this look with hooded eyes is that you bring the black far enough up that you can see it when your eye is open. If you don't have hooded eyes, go check out Michaela's tutorial.